If you're doing one of these jobs, AI might already be learning how to replace you. And I know that sounds dramatic, but this isn't some future, it's happening right now. And not just blue-collar work, I'm talking about office jobs, knowledge work, even creative roles. But here's the twist. It's not all bad news. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 jobs that are most likely to be automated by AI in 2025, and more importantly, how to prepare so you can pivot, profit, and protect yourself in this new digital economy. Now, before we dive into the list, here's something you need to understand. According to a recent report from Goldman Sachs, over 300 million jobs globally could be affected by AI and automation in the coming years. 300 million. That doesn't mean 300 million people are going to be unemployed. It means 300 million roles are going to be transformed. Some eliminated, some restructured, and some entirely reinvented. So while everyone else is panicking or ignoring the wave, you're going to be ahead of it, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's coming and how to future-proof your income. Let's kick off the countdown. Number 10, data entry clerks. If your job involves typing data into spreadsheets, databases, or CRMs all day long, bad news. AI's been built specifically to eat those kinds of tasks alive. Data entry is repetitive, rule-based, and doesn't require critical thinking. Tools like OCR, document scanners, and natural language models are already doing this faster and more accurately than humans. The silver lining? If you already understand data, you're in a great position to pivot into higher value roles like data visualization, analysis, or prompt engineering, where you use your knowledge to instruct AI and interpret results instead of typing rows all day. Number 9, customer service representatives. Think back to the last time you interacted with customer support online. There's a good chance it was an AI chatbot, and you didn't even notice. Companies are using AI voice assistants and chatbots to handle everything from billing inquiries to technical troubleshooting. Some of these bots sound so human, it's scary. But here's the key, they're still not perfect. And the humans who can build, train, and optimize these AI flows, they're in high demand. So if you're in customer service, now's the time to learn about conversational AI platforms, automation tools, and customer journey design. The future isn't answering calls, it's orchestrating experiences. Number 8, telemarketers. Cold calling is already tough. But now, AI can do it at scale with perfect scripts, adaptive responses, and zero burnout. Companies are using AI-powered dialers and voice bots that can call thousands of leads a day, personalize messages, and even respond based on the tone of the person on the other end. If you're still working as a traditional telemarketer, it's time to pivot. The future is in building automated funnels, learning copywriting for conversion, or creating scalable outbound systems using AI tools. In short, be the person designing the system, not getting replaced by it. Number 7, proofreaders. Thanks to AI tools like Grammarly, Hemingway, and ChatGPT, basic proofreading is now automatic. These tools can detect grammar mistakes, fix awkward phrases, suggest better sentence structures, and even rewrite paragraphs in your preferred tone. That doesn't mean writing is dead, it means proofreading is now the minimum. The real value is in storytelling, persuasion, and strategy. If you're in the writing world, focus on editing with emotional intelligence, optimizing content for conversions, or ghostwriting for brands and creators. Let AI catch the typos, you craft the message. Number 6, bookkeepers. AI is shaking up the accounting world fast. Platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Zoho can now handle invoices, balance sheets, tax filing, and cash flow projections with just a few clicks. These tools sync with your bank, categorize your transactions, and even generate financial reports. But here's where humans still win: strategy, interpretation, advice. If you're a bookkeeper, start learning how to become a financial consultant. Help clients understand what their numbers mean. Offer budgeting help, cash flow planning, or software integrations. Move from bean counter to financial guide. Number 5, retail cashiers. Walk into a major store right now and you'll see it: self-checkout machines, mobile pay stations, and smart shelves. Some stores like Amazon Go don't even have a checkout line. You just walk out and your card gets charged automatically. This trend isn't going away. So if you work retail, the key is to pivot into areas that can't be easily replaced, like visual merchandising, social media marketing for brands, or e-commerce management. Better yet, start your own dropshipping or affiliate store using AI-powered product tools. There's a lot of money behind the scenes if you know where to look. Number 4, delivery drivers. With autonomous vehicles and AI-powered logistics software, delivery driving is on the edge of disruption. Tesla, Uber Freight, and Amazon are already testing self-driving trucks and robotic deliveries. Even drones are being used in some regions for quick drop-offs. While full-scale automation isn't here yet, it's coming fast. That means if you're in transportation or delivery, now's the time to upgrade. Learn fleet coordination, logistics software, or last-mile problem-solving. Human flexibility is still needed when robots can't reach, but you'll need to be the brain, not just the driver. Number 3, paralegals. Law firms are already integrating AI tools like Casatext and Harvey AI to perform legal research, draft contracts, and analyze case law. Paralegals used to spend hours doing that. Now it's done in seconds. But that doesn't mean you're obsolete. What's valuable now is your ability to interpret legal tools, spot edge cases, and apply human insight. Learn how to use legal tech platforms, manage AI compliance tools, or provide consulting to law firms adopting automation. The law is still human-led, but the tools are changing fast. Number 2, entry-level journalists. AI can now write news summaries, sports recaps, financial reports, and weather updates with shocking accuracy. Some publications already use AI to draft basic articles. But AI can't replace investigative journalism. It can't attend events, build trust with sources, or bring a unique human perspective to a story. So if you're in media, pivot from repeating headlines to storytelling. Create opinion content. Build a personal brand. Or even use AI to help you publish faster while staying in control of the voice and values. And finally, number 1, tutors. Now this might surprise you, but AI tutoring platforms are booming. Tools like Conmigo, Smoden, and even custom ChatGPT bots can walk students through math problems, explain history topics, and help with essays. It's 24/7, always available, and constantly improving. But education isn't just about information, it's about transformation. Students still crave connection. So if you're a tutor or coach, the play is to amplify your reach. Use AI to build courses. Launch a tutoring app. Create a community around your teaching style. In other words, teach less, impact more. Now let's talk strategy. Because knowing which jobs are vanishing is only half the battle. What really matters is how you prepare. Here's a simple 3-step blueprint to protect your income in the age of AI. Step 1, audit your role. Ask yourself, what part of my job is repetitive, predictable, or based on rules? Those are the first to go. Then ask, what part of my job requires judgment, creativity, or human emotion? That's where you lean in. Start phasing out the automated work and doubling down on skills that are uniquely human. Step 2, use AI before it uses you. If you've been avoiding tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation bots, it's time to dive in. Learn how they work. Practice prompt writing. Test out automations in your daily workflow. AI isn't the enemy. It's the assistant you never knew you needed. The people who succeed in this era will use AI to multiply what they do, not compete with it. Step 3, build a digital presence. Whether you're selling a service, teaching a skill, or just building a following, owning your platform is your safety net. Start a YouTube channel, launch a newsletter, sell a course, or create digital tools. With AI helping you create faster than ever, there's no excuse to sit still. You don't need a team. You need systems. Build them once and let them work for you over and over again. Here's your bonus tip if you've made it this far. These are the 5 fastest growing AI-proof careers you should explore. 1. Prompt engineers, people who speak AI language fluently and know how to get results from models. 2. Automation consultants, experts who help businesses integrate AI to save time and money. 3. Creator educators, teachers, influencers, and coaches who build scalable educational content. 4. AI business strategists, people who analyze industries and build systems around new tech. 5. Productized service founders, freelancers who use AI to deliver repeatable, scalable results. So here's the bottom line. AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for the tasks inside your job. And if you're willing to adapt, learn, and pivot, you'll do more than survive. You'll thrive. But if you ignore it, someone else is already training their AI assistant to take your spot. If you want a head start, grab my free list of the best AI tools I personally use to save time, make money, and build systems that run 24/7. You can download it now. It's free, simple, and insanely valuable. And if this video opened your eyes even a little bit, do me one favor. Subscribe for more AI-proof strategies, digital income tools, and no-fluff guides to build your next stream of income before the robots do it first.